Alright, so in today's video it's going to be a little different than usual. Mainly just going to be driving. We're heading to Michigan to do some stuff on my buddy Mike's 240. So the first thing we got to do is get all loaded up into the car. Nine hours, 47 minutes it says. So we're about an hour and a half into the trip, and I made a new buddy here on the side of the roadway here. So yeah, that's pretty radical. This car in the middle lane is straight up no tail lights, dude. Look at the tech on that thing. At least turn signal works, bud.
1,000 feet. Turn right.
There's no way that thing's faster. Like,
no.
0% chance.
In 800 feet, turn left.
I'm not launching you.
Nah.
I ain't getting my car fucking impounded.
Literally, instantly fucking impounded, dude.
Yeah,
if I was a cop, I would instantly impound your shit too for that. Just gotta send that. I don't think I've ever broken a caliper bolt that easy. Dude, I'm telling you, these were like hand tight. This caliper. Like risky business.
Look at this hanger tech here, dude. It's got a fucking hose clamp.
Your average 240, by the way. Holy!
That sounds so bad.
Wow. It's belligerent though.
Yeah. That's probably the worst sound I've ever heard.
Literally. Boop, there's drop shaft.
Set it on like that wood right now. Damn. Why is the diff fucking green?
When your diff matches the paint the diff green into a giveaway, dude. So the subframe's out. Now just to replace everything and put it back in.
Yeah, that's a rip bushing.
Looks good to me. Giant gaping hole, his shell. Lost interest in the build. Wife wants it out of driveway. No trades, don't need help selling. A serious offers only, no scammers. That massive crack through the windshield. Here we go. You know that LPB blaster, bad. Oh, start that sharp. Think I was making that shit up? Tarp was a bad idea though.
That was not too.
They're all by the way. Take out the
Holy! Now you're trying to light my hand on fire. Yeah. Woo! You know how quick gym shorts go up?
One's starting to go now.
Yeah, they're all chooching. That one should be almost burnt out.
This one's not going for shit.
I'll just keep giving a little love taps every now and again. So we finally got the rear subframe bushings out, and then now we'll put it back together. Yeah? Yeah? This entire tarp y'all saw too, by the way. I mean, nah, dude, you can kind of kick it around and get it up a little bit. Pretty much all caught fire. It already looks a whole lot better just from one, One quick rip with the old wire brush. Definitely made one hell of a mess. Yeah, okay. And why that was even sealed like to begin with, dude. I mean, the welds don't look bad. They got a block in there. Plate. Yeah, I mean, honestly, whoever welded it did pretty good. I would trust the diff. Yeah, definitely the seal job was subpar to say the least. Oh. Spinning into my phone there. Hold this here, right? The old hold this for real quick, you know? Just sit down in my car for a minute.
I don't know if we need to pre-clean it.
That's real nice.
Dude, we're gonna be mosquito magnets. It's sweaty.
Yeah, here a couple seconds. Yeah, here in like probably 15 minutes or yeah. You're not lying. Mosquito magnets.
I think I already realistically got bit like once or twice.
Probably. I think I honestly got bit right here like 2 seconds ago. Kind of
There's
itchy.
one like flying around me right now. Fucking dude, I can't even get the glove on. Give me some more big towel.
Yeah, dude, it's scuffed.
They're coming in hot.
Literally scuffed. Are y'all thirsty or not? Yeah, that's about the fluid level I saw when we first opened it. Pretty sure anyway.
Someone else had like 52 ounces.
I mean, that's like about the level of fluid I saw when we opened it.
So maybe it wasn't even leaking.
I was about to say, that's a little rough.
My face when you put this in upside down.
No, I'm pretty sure that's how it was. I'm like 99.9% sure. Where's your Harbor Freight torque wrench at that's like 80 years old, never been recalibrated?
I hope you don't mind.
What a struggle, though. Yeah, pro tip, if you ever do this, make sure the ball joint mount is towards the upper, like the back end, if you will. That was our big problem. We had those reversed. So, or not the nuts, but yeah, for the ball joint, like mount, make sure it's like back here. So Mike just got the last bolt tightened, and then now we just got to get the bushings installed, and then we can finally put it back in the car. Yeah.
That in all the way.
No. There you go. Yeah, dude, honestly, we are, though. We're almost there.
See it? The fucking metal sheet.
Yeah.
Oh. I think it's now. It is.
Yeah.
I don't know where the crispy sheet was.
Yeah, I was about to say. Want to be careful of breaking all the wood. We'll keep the scrap for now. So we can still use that piece.
I have like 1 or 2 more pieces in there. And
yes, dude, last step. Holy.
You can do this on my hand.
Again.
My face when I hit my hand, it fucking breaks.
Yeah.
I think that was probably pretty close. Though.
Yeah, if you hit it a little bit harder, what is really going on? So we finally got all the solid subframe bushings in. So now we have the ultimate task of getting the sway bar back on, and then finally getting it back in there somehow. So now the entire subframe is back together. Everything is ISR. Even these are, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so literally everything ISR. We changed the diff fluid and resealed it with red RTV. They had like literally like window caulking sealing it previously. What about that? Literally send it, he says. Well, as Larry the Enticer once said, I am just going to send it.
Lifting the whole car up.
Does that mean we're in? I'm all the way in on both mine.
Holy buds.
It's back in, dude. Look at that. Look at that, internet. Two idiots redid a subframe by themselves with no prior knowledge of how to do it. I got it, bud. Got what you need, Playboy.
Full interior, by the way.
So now he's got the BCs in, ISR everywhere. So yeah, brakes, strut bar, wheels, all over the car.
Let this fucking go.
Only goes one way.
I think you have to lower this, I think. Because it's like too far up.
Oh. That look in your eyes right now. Images of Mike playing hockey as a kid. Thanksgivings with his parents. That's one of my biggest fears when working on cars too.
It's fucking, I've never had a car ever do that.
I've experienced that with the BRZ and the shit. The Cavalier one time shifted like 3 inches with me under it. That scared the piss out of me, dude. I was about to die. Honestly, just closed my eyes and just waited for it, and it never happened. Is it threading? Alrighty, so we just made our first and hopefully only pit stop, but we're just going to get some quick gas and maybe something to eat, probably not. We got about another 4.5 hours to go, so hopefully this goes quick. Got ourselves a nice chicken sandwich. Chilling at the gas station, bro. Got this old ass lemonade. These boys over here working on the rig. Nice view though. This thing is old as fuck. So I'll finish driving this in me and then we'll keep going for another 4.5 hours and should be home finally. The old Ohio River, boys. So that means we officially hit the 4-hour mark, Ohio Bridge. Look at this Doge, just living it. And when you hit the Ohio River, that means you're in the wild and wonderful West Virginia, boys. Yeehaw! Oh yeah, the Roanoke sign, boy. That means we're getting real close here. Out here in Blacksburg. Oh yeah, that means I'm close to going to sleep. So we made it back in one piece, no real major issue, no tires exploding or car fires or anything crazy. Had a nice ride home, nothing really eventful. Thankfully we got Mike's subframe all slapped back in the car and everything was good to go there. So as always, stay tuned for the next video. If you'd like to, subscribe for more mediocre content like this. If you made it to the end and you're actually watching this clip, I appreciate you for making it that far. Definitely one of the shortest of videos, so definitely stay tuned for the next one.